this is Ieasha from Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, so happy Sunday, and today is another DIY. What I will be making today, next week is Teachers Appreciation Week, where I live for my children. So I will be making these pens for their teachers. They have two, my twins have two teachers. So I will be giving them this for Teachers Appreciation Week. And I'm a big believer in giving teachers things that show appreciation. So if you would like to make these pens, I'm going to show you first of all the items that you need. You will need flower pots. And I purchased two. There were two from the Dollar Tree for $1. You will need some pens. And there were 10 pens in here from the Dollar Tree. And these are the ballpoint pens, and they're black. They had black pens, blue pens. Those are the only two I've seen. I didn't see red, so I got the black ones. Okay. You will need a paper plate if you want to paint your pot. You will need, of course, paint. And I have pink. And I have purple. And since I'm making these for my twins' teachers, one of them love pink and one love purple. So I'm going to do pink and purple for each one of their teachers, the colors that they love. Okay, you will need a paintbrush. You will need scissors. You will need flowers, and I purchased these beautiful flowers from the Dollar Tree, and as you see, they're green, pink, and orange. And I already had the orange ones, so I just purchased the green and pink ones. And I think I said from the Dollar Tree. Okay, you will need like these little, I purchased these little rocks. They're called stones, decorative accent stones, and they came from the Dollar Tree, and I purchased two of them. I probably didn't need two, but I did. And all I'm gonna do is just place these inside the flower pots to hold the pens. Okay, now you will need something to wrap around the pens. And what I did, I purchased these beautiful what is it called? Decorative tape. Some people use floral tape. That's just completely up to you. I mean, it's your project, so it just depends on you. So I'm doing the decorative tape. And I purchased this from the Hobby Lobby. They were, I think, 60% off. Purchase this. And you will need some ribbon to tie around your flower pot. And I have purple. And I also have the beautiful pink one that I used in my last video, which was the flower pot, the flower box arrangement. Okay, and I think that's it. Oh, and you'll need a paper plate. I can't remember if I said that or not, to put your paint in. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, oh, and you will also need, that's hot. You will also need your glue gun, okay? And the glue gun is for you to put glue around the end of the flowers so that you will be able to place them in the top of your pens. And I didn't say this, but you also need to take the tops. Let me show you. These little tops right here off your pens. And see, these tops go down in the inside of your pens. And all you have to do is just pop them out. Maybe not that easy, but pop them out and you can put your flower down in here. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what I've already started doing was to paint this pot pink. And as you see, I have my paintbrush and my pink paint over in my paper plate. And I'm just taking the paintbrush and just lightly painting over my my flower pot to just change the color. So I will be back once I am completely finished with that. And as you see, this is how it looks so far. Okay, so as you see, I am finished. I'm all the way down to the end. And all I do is take my scissors and just clip off the piece here. And just take it and just wrap it around there so that it will be wrapped around. As you see, this is the pen. All right, so now all I'm gonna do is take, I think I'm gonna do a pink flower to go in the top because I think pink and gold is very pretty. So what I'm gonna do is take my glue gun And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add some hot glue directly down into here. Okay. And now all I do is take my flour and just push it down in there. Just make sure it's in with the glue and just hold it to make sure that the glue gets on it well and it sticks. Okay, and I'm gonna twist it just a little bit just to make sure it's on there. Okay, and as you see, I think it's on there very well. And as you see, you have a beautiful flower pen. All right, and it's up to you if you want to put the top back on it. That's how it looks with the top on it, or you can leave the top off. And I'm gonna leave my top off because I showed you these decorative rocks that I purchased to go inside my flower pot. I'll make the pink one. Okay, so all you have to do is take your rocks or whatever you have or whatever you want to put in there. You can put something in there or you don't have to. It's totally up to you. But I'm gonna use these beautiful rocks and just place them on the inside of my flower pot, as you see me doing here. And I'm just gonna place enough so that I can put my pins like in the middle, you know, just around here. It doesn't have to be in the middle. Just put them around there and they can stick. Okay, so this is the one that I'm gonna use. And see, I'm just gonna stick it down in there. And as you see, that is how it looks. I'm gonna let you see down in here. That's how it looks down in there once I add the rocks to it. And as you see, I'm gonna take the pen and just stick it in there. And the rocks are the ones that's holding up the pen. So when the teacher needs to grab the pen, all she has to do is just grab it out, write what she needs, and just place it back in there and it's holding it. Okay, so I'm gonna add a beautiful ribbon to this pot. And since it's the pink one, I think I'm gonna add this beautiful pink ribbon that I have, that I used in my flower box video. And I'm trying to decide if I want to just add hot glue around it or tie it, but I think I'm gonna tie it like that. So all you have to do is just measure it, cut it to the desired length that you want it. And I'm gonna wrap it around here. Just make sure everything is straight, as you see me doing here. And I'm just gonna tie it. Measure it. Make sure you measure it just to make sure it's even. Okay. And just tie it in a beautiful, like a little beautiful bow. I mean, not a bow, but a little tie right here. And just straighten it up. Okay. Oh. Okay, so after working with the ribbon for a minute, I went ahead and tied it in a knot right here. And you can tie it in a bow, that's just up to you. And as you see, this is how it looks. And you can also hot glue it if you want to just glue it, or E6000 glue, whatever you want to do to it is yours. And as you see, it's a beautiful bow. And this is the pink one, and that's how it looks on the inside of it. All right. So I will show you how it looks once I add all of the pens that I'm going to give to the teachers in each of the flower pots. So stay tuned. Okay, everyone, so now I am finished with my flower pens. As you see, I just put 3 in each one of the flower pots, and I added pink ribbon to the pink pot, and I added the purple ribbon to the purple pot, and I added pink flowers orange flowers and the green flowers, and the same over here on this side, as well as the little decorative stones down in the inside of the flower pot. So I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you will be alerted of all of my upcoming videos. I upload videos every Friday and on Sunday. And I hope you all have a blessed Sunday. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.